In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to call or message someone from your lock screen. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to make calls and send texts without unlocking your phone using just your voice. Let's set it up together so it works smoothly every time. First, open the Gemini app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon, usually in the top corner, and tap it. From there, go into Settings. This is where you'll turn on the features that let Gemini appear and listen from your lock screen. In Settings, find the option labeled Gemini on lock screen. Open it and make sure both switches you see here are turned on. Turning on both ensures Gemini can show up over the lock screen and respond when you need it, without you having to unlock your device. On some phones, the exact wording may vary a little, but you're looking for anything that mentions Gemini and the lock screen. Next, go back to Settings and locate the Digital Assistant option. Tap it, then select Gemini as your assistant. Setting Gemini as your default assistant routes your voice commands to Gemini when you use the wake phrase, so everything works consistently. Now, find Talk to Gemini hands-free and toggle it on. This is important. With hands-free enabled, you can activate Gemini by voice even when your screen is locked. If your device asks for permissions, like microphone or lock screen access, go ahead and allow them so the feature can function properly. You're ready to try it. Lock your phone. With the screen off or locked, say, "Hey Google." Because you set Gemini as your assistant, Gemini will activate. Once you hear the tone or see the assistant interface, speak your request clearly. You can say something like, "Call my contact," followed by the contact's saved name, or "Send a message to my contact," then dictate your message. If a contact has multiple numbers, Gemini may ask which one to use, so be ready to specify mobile or work. A few tips as you use this. Speak naturally but clearly. Include the full contact name as it's saved on your phone, and confirm any prompts Gemini gives you before the call or message is sent. If something doesn't work on the first try, check that the lock screen options, the default assistant setting, and hands-free are still turned on. That's it. With these settings, you can call or message right from the lock screen using Gemini, quickly and safely, wherever you are.